Hello everyone, Aaliyah here, Mutoh's Marketing Associate. Today I'll guide you step by step on how to create a spot lenticular file in Photoshop and print it using your XpertJet 661 UF. Make sure you have added the lenticular print environment to VerteLith before starting and have your printer settings adjusted accordingly. You'll need some prior Photoshop knowledge to mask out the images you'll be using. The print environment, printer settings, and Photoshop templates you'll need can be found in your Mutoh Club account. For this example, we'll focus on the two-image transition. Start by opening the two-image lenticular Photoshop file along with the images you intend to use. In the Photoshop template, navigate to Image, Canvas Size, and input the desired width and height of the print. Copy the background image using Ctrl or Command-C, then paste it onto the background layer in the template using Ctrl or Command-V. Next, we'll rotate our image to create a lenticular transition from left to right instead of up to down. This creative choice is up to you when creating your lenticular files. If you want the transition to occur when moving up to down, you can leave the image as is. With your background image selected, press Ctrl or Command-T and input -90 in the rotation box at the top. Resize your image to fit into the canvas, looking at the pink guidelines to ensure it's centered and edge to edge. Press Enter or the check mark at the top when finished. Copy your first cutout image and paste it over the A layer in the template. Delete the A layer, then resize and rotate your image as needed. Repeat this process for the second cutout and the B layer. Once finished, duplicate your B replacement image by pressing Ctrl or Command-J, then move the duplicate to the top. With the duplicate layer selected, press Ctrl or Command-U and adjust the lightness slider to -100 to turn it completely black. With the duplicated layer selected, use the magic wand tool to select the black image. Select your background image and press Backspace or Delete to create a masked out space. Ensure all layers except for that one are turned off, and save your masked background image as a PDF. Go to File, Save As, Photoshop PDF, then select Do Not Downsample and None for compression. Press Save PDF. Turn back on all layers and turn off your background image. Unlock the Do Not Change This layer by clicking on the lock. With the blacked out image layer selected, go to Select, Inverse. Delete the data on the following layers: Do Not Change This layer, Picture 2, Picture 1, Background, and the Spot Varnish layer under the channel's properties. After deleting the correct data, press Ctrl or Command-D to remove your selection. Make sure you are back under your Layers workspace and turn off the altered layer. Save your spot lenticular layer as a PDF in the same way as before. Open VerteLith and select the print environment shown. Add your background PDF and select Edit Job. click on the Printer Profile tab. In the White Generation section, select the On All Pixels with Compensating Densities option. Press Submit for print. Once complete, avoid touching the media to ensure proper alignment. Press the up arrow on your printer to set the media once again. Return to VerteLith and select the lenticular print environment. Add your spot lenticular PDF and click Submit to print. Once complete, you will have successfully created your spot lenticular print. To learn what all of our printers have to offer, go to mutoh.com and make sure to check us out on social media.